Guys, tax in the UK is going to finish us. Like, tax in the UK will finish us because I don't understand why there's tax, tax for various things or tax for same thing. Guys, let's dive into the story. Hello, everybody. Welcome back again to my channel. My name is Wemimo, and I'm also known as Start Mom of 5 and also known as CMO5 Can Do Co. If you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you're a return subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back. So, I was watching a video actually, and I'm going to put a screenshot or the thumbnail of the video here so that you guys will maybe, if you have the chance, you can go and watch it. It could be anybody, it could be an immigrant, it could be anybody, but I would love for you to go and watch that video so you know what ginger this video. Okay, so like I said, in the UK, right? Okay, this guy was practically talking about council tax. The council tax bill in the UK is crazy. I received my council tax bill. So my council tax bill for last year was, I think, 1,190 something pounds for the year, which meant that I was paying about 119 pounds every month. This year, 2025, is increased, which means from 119 pounds every month, I am now paying 127 pounds every month. So it was basically talking about the things he found out about his local council, and maybe they were registered in the company's house. So which means that are they a business or are they a company? Why are they registered in the company's house? And also they have something called Don's number, which you can find on the Don's and Bradstreet online. It will give you like a GUNS number. So it's mainly for like companies. All right. So I was like, okay, why not? Let me go do the same with my council here in Glasgow as well. So you guys know I am in Glasgow. And our council here in Glasgow is called Glasgow City Council. So the things this guy spoke about that he found about his own local government or local council in his city, I found Glasgow City Council also on the company's house. So does that mean that Glasgow City Council is a company? Why are they registered in the company's house? Like, guys, these are genuine amateur questions, because at times when we are being given bills, we just pay the bills without asking questions. So when I watched this guy, I was like, okay, the things he mentioned actually made sense, which meant that I am also asking the question. Like, I don't know where this video is going to reach. I don't know where this video is going to get to, but those things the guy mentioned in his video, I'm going to put short snippets of what he mentioned in the video, and which I found to be exactly the same as the council here in Glasgow. So now let's go on and talk about the various taxes in the UK that I unfortunately I pay. So one of them is road tax. If you are a driver in the UK, you own a car, you pay something called road tax. So for me, I drive a 2013 seven-seater Vauxhall vehicle, and the cheapest I've always paid over the years was 180 something pounds every year. But since I've been driving that car, it has increased 3 times. Now, this year, as at last year, I was paying 220 pounds every year. So I have not received any notification whatsoever that it's going to increase this year, which meant that maybe I was still going to have to pay the 220 pounds every year. So normally for me, I just pay it once and that's it, done. But you can pay it instrumentally. So what is the purpose of road tax? So according to my notes here, road tax is paid to the government, and it is used for projects like road work and maintenance and many more like that. Also, let's talk about council tax, just like what brought me to this video of that guy. So council tax, like I said, my last year bill, I was paying 119 pounds every month, and you pay it over the year. So it was about 1,100 something pounds every year. So this year, in fact, let me find that letter for you. So last year, my council tax bill was 1,193 pounds per annum, which meant that I was paying 119 pounds every month. But this year, this is what the letter looks like. Okay. But this year, I now pay 127 pounds every month. So what is the purpose of council tax? So the purpose of council tax, it is to help provide, it is used to part fund services provided by the council. So which could include bin taking, people who come to move the bin, cleaning of, stuff like that. It's mainly to help provide services provided by the council to the population. Also, we pay something called income tax. So if you're in the UK and you work in the UK, you pay income tax. And last year, guys, I cannot tell you how much I pay. So if you're practically working full-time in the UK, you pay income tax. And what is the purpose of income tax? So income tax, it is to help provide funding for public services, for example, at the NHS, education, welfare system for those who are receiving benefits, and investment in public projects such as roads, rail, and housing. So you can see that we are practically paying multiple tax for some of the things they do together. So, for example, road tax and income tax practically pays for something similar. Council tax in a way is different because road tax is meant to pay for roadworks maintenance. And also, if you look at income tax is saying that they also pay towards roads, rails, and housing. And I think in a way, council tax also is practically the same thing because at the end of the day, when there are potholes in your street, it is your council you report to, and it's your council that will facilitate the refund. So all of these taxes, we just say road tax, council tax, income tax, they are all taxes, and they kind of like pay for services that are similar. So why are we paying multiple taxes in different ways? Like, guys, these are genuine questions, and I would love to know. With that being said, all of these taxes we are being taxed, right? Things are going up in price, but wages are not being increased. I told you guys last year that we not the last time nurses' wages was ever increased. I think was between 2000. I don't think there was any major increment in the nursing salary or in the salary nurses get paid. But last year we were able to win a 5.5% increase. And guys, did they tax that back payment that was given to nurses? The 5.5% increment in salary, they taxed us as well. So for me, I should have received an extra £2,500 if they backdate it from when I've been qualified. By the time they taxed it, I only got about £900. I only got about £900. Apart from the fact that I pay my tax when I work. Oh. So all of these taxes, they are taking all of these taxes, and the wages are not being increased. Wages are not being increased. With that being said, house rent. You guys know I am still renting from my local housing. My house rent increases every year. So this year increment was 6.9%, which meant that I'm paying almost just short of £600 every month for my rent. So rent is going up. We are paying all of this tax. Road tax is increasing in prices as well. Like I said, I used to pay £199. Now I pay £220 something pounds. So all of these things are increasing, but the wages are not increasing. How do they expect us to live? So road tax is increasing, council tax is increasing, rent is increasing, but wages are not being like wages is not increasing, salary is not increasing. So from the little money that I will probably have for myself at the end of the month when I finish paying all of the rent. Now with all of these increases, the extra money that I'm meant to have in my pocket is now going towards all of these extra increases, all of this, and wages. They are not increasing salary. Like, guys, make it make sense. Make it make sense. That's why I say no. Council tax, all of these taxes, I'm done. Like, it's a lot. It's a lot. Now they have now come up. The UK government have now come up with another system now that they can now enter in. You can now contact your bank to check your salary, to check how much you have in your account. So which means that some people who have side also, and maybe they are not declaring it to the government. So now the government have the power to contact your bank to see into your account to see where the money coming to your account is coming from. So if they see any money that's coming frequently and they don't know about, they will come for you. They'll come for you. So even content creators like me now, if you start to earn above a certain threshold and if you're not declaring it, now that they're able to look into your bank account, they will be caught, they'll be fishing people who are actually making lots of money making content. Like, guys, I was just like, is it not better I pack my bag and go to Nigeria now? Is it not better that because I don't think Nigerians pay council tax. I don't think Nigerians pay road tax in Nigeria. I don't think, apart from the fact that maybe you pay tax through your salary, please, what other things in terms of tax or that Nigerians are conditioned to pay for? Let me know in the comment section, because as it is looking like I'm going to pack my bags. It's looking like I'm going to pack my bag. So, like I said, even for the fact that you are driving a car, you pay car insurance. My car insurance every month is £132. Yes, because I have not been driving for a very long time. I only have a 2 years no claim, no bonus with my car insurance company. That's £132 every month. Tax, I mean, for my car insurance tax. On top of that, I will buy petrol. Yeah, I will do servicing. I will still want to feed. I want to do baby girl, fine girl like this, and I will still want to come out here and do all of these things. Like, guys, it seems that we are conditioned to keep working. Cost of inflation, high cost of living, tax here, deductions there, deductions there. When actually do we want to actually have some sort of money? I was watching a video today, and I think it's a Jack Bada series about a certain YouTuber. I'm going to pop our channel here. That, you know what, they took extra money out of our salary, and I was like, they better not do that too, because at the end of you taking the extra money out, This money is meant for a purpose. Like, guys, leave your thoughts and opinion in the comment section, because as it is now, me, I'm like, ah, the UK is not really UK in the way it's meant to UK. Ah, I have to be honest, but guys, let me know your thoughts and opinion in the comment section, because if the wages are not going up and inflation is making everything rise up, then all of this, increments in council tax, increments in road tax, increments in rent, and our salary is not being added. Like, guys, do they want all of us to end up in the streets? Do they want all of us to beg? And at the end of the day, at times, I often come back to think that I don't blame people who don't work anyways, because they know that the kind of money that me I'm deriving from working full time, they can sit down at home on benefit and get the same if they've got children, or if they've got something they claim to be wrong with them. If they don't work, they will get approximately what I am earning as a salary earner. So if you now know that some people are not going to work because they know they will get such on benefit, me that I'm now working, I'm being forced to rethink my life. That should I not go and pack my bag and tell them that I can't work anymore, that something is wrong with my enemy? God forbid. Guys, leave your thoughts and opinion in the comment section. Do you think stop money and come back to Nigeria, or stay there and enjoy your abroad? But guys, I have to be honest with you. These are some of the things that those of us in the UK are really not talking about a lot. But when I saw the video of that guy, this is a British guy, a white guy. When I saw his video, it made sense. And I'm like, all of these taxes, they practically pay for the same thing, but it's been taken off us in under different names: road tax, council tax, income tax, all of these tax. Like, guys, leave your thought and opinion in the comment section. And do you think I should not complain because you think we are having it better in the diaspora as compared to back home in Nigeria? Guys, in fact, it's not even back home in Nigeria alone. I think this actually practically affect most of us who are in diaspora. Leave your thoughts and opinion in regards to what I've said. And if you've checked that guy's video, I pop his thumbnail here. Let me know what you think about what he said as well. And if you've watched it now, you've not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Don't forget to like, drop a comment in the comment section, subscribe if you've not yet done so, turn on your post notification, share this video. Do not hesitate to join my membership, and I'll have to catch up with you in another video. All right, bye for now. Bye.